If you somehow got a good tax return this year and you're looking to spend it on a PC, or rather you had a crappy tax return and you have a slightly tighter budget to spend on a PC, then this is the place to be. Allow me to guide you through the creation of this beautiful 1080p $1,500 AUD gaming PC. And don't forget to stick around all the way to the end of the video for some benchmarks too. Let's go. That's where you do the transition, Miles.
Got it.
Let's go. First up, let's talk the CPU. I've elected to go with one of my all-time favorite CPUs, which is the AMD Ryzen 5 3600. Now, while there might be some newer CPUs out there that people would suggest instead, definitely in the Intel department, I just kind of can't get past this little guy. For solid 1080p gaming performance and a bit of content creation perhaps on the side, you really can't go wrong with this CPU in my opinion. I use it in my personal PC at home and my work one, and it just never lets me down, so I can't not recommend it. To house everything, I'm gonna go with this MSI Mag B550M Mortar Max motherboard. Honestly, picking the motherboard for this build was actually the hardest component for me. I spent the longest amount of time trying to figure out which one to go with. I wanted to go with MSI to match the graphics card that we're going to be using, but it was really tough to find a motherboard that ticked all the boxes for me in terms of cost versus features. But eventually I found this little guy. He does everything that you need and no fuss, and will suit the color scheme that I'm looking for this build too. Sometimes just sweet and simple does the trick. For memory, we're going to bling it up a little with 16GB of our tough RAM in Snow. This is also DDR4 RAM at 3600 MHz. This RAM is fast, reliable, and adds a splash of RGB to the build, which is always nice for customization. For storage, we're using this 500GB Kingston M.2 drive. This drive will be enough for your OS and maybe a couple of games as well, depending on their size. But if you are looking at installing some larger stuff and you're doing editing or things like that, you're definitely going to want to pick up something like this, which is a Seagate 1TB HDD. They retail for around about $80 AUD, but for us, it'll actually take us just that little bit of budget, so that we're not lying to you, we're keeping it out, but definitely look at getting something like this if you would like. All this good stuff will be going inside one of our gorgeous S200 cases. We're gonna go with the white one this time, but there's also an equally lovely black edition too, if that is more your style. This case actually comes with 3 pre-installed fans as well, so we won't have to add in any extra fans for this build today. To cool our CPU, we're going to be using our brand new UX200 SE ARGB air cooler. This is a super budget-friendly cooler that can most definitely handle a CPU like the 3600, and again, adds some RGB goodness to the system. To power everything, we're using one of our Tough Power GF-A3 power supplies. Now these are some of the best ATX Gen 3 PSUs you'll find because they look nice, are fully modular, feature native 12-volt high power cables for your graphics card, and are a really good price. And last of all, the bit that you've all been waiting for, or the bit that you just skipped straight to, oh sorry, the graphics card. Our good mates at MSI were kind enough to hook us up with this MSI GeForce RTX 4060. Now this card is great for that 1080p gaming area that we were looking for, so we figured, you know what, why not go for that cheeky upgrade since the card literally just released. It'll certainly last a long time. That being said though, the 3060 Ti is a great alternative option too, if you aren't interested in going down the 40 series route just yet. So that is our mid-2023 budget build plus some benchmarks that may hopefully be on the screen right about now as I'm saying this. We really want to start doing a few more of these types of videos every year to help you all out, so please let us know in the comments if you'd be keen for a late 2023 budget build too, just in time for Christmas maybe. But for now, we will see you in the next video. Bye bye! Just gonna sit back here in my chair with all my friends. Hey guys, my computer, my friends. See ya!